Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install process in SPSS. So the first step, you need to download this process macro from this website. So you go to this website. This is the official website of the macro process. And then you click download at the top of this window. And you scroll down to the bottom, you will see this button. So please click download from the resource hub, and it will lead you to a new window here. In this new window, please click resource hub here. And you scroll down, you will see this computational tools and aids, and you will see this button for downloading process. And you click this button, you will have this folder into your laptop. And then you go to SPSS. So I already opened a data file. So you click extensions, utilities, and then install custom dialog. And then you go to the folder where you store your the process macro. So go to this folder, and then you click process for SPSS, and then custom dialog builder file. And you will see this SPD file. And then you open this file, you will see this message. So it means that you have already successfully installed this macro into your SPSS, and you click OK. To check whether you have successfully installed a process in your SPSS or not, you can go to Analyze, Regression. If you see this option here, Process by Andrew Hayes, means that you have already had this in your SPSS, and you can use this for mediation and moderation analysis.